Gilgit Baltistan is one of the most beautiful places in the world. World's highest mountains, glacier, mesmerizing landscapes and the most beautiful people and culture can be found in one place called Gilgit Baltistan. At the time of partition of subcontinent into two free countries, India and Pakistan, this place was not given to any country, but after a rapid revolution, the habitants of this place liberated their land from Kashmir's Dogra Raja Hari Singh. First president of Gilgit Baltistan was Shah Reh Khan after liberation. Later Pakistan took over the country by conspiracies sabotaging the revolutionary freedom. With the passage of time, Pakistan took over political system of this area. At the time, Pakistan has systematically occupied this land, tampering the history, culture and political system of Gilgit Baltistan. Every year thousands of tourists from Pakistan and abroad visit this beautiful region, but lack of facilities, security and unavailability of flights are hurdles for tourism and social development of this mountainous region. Education is the most important and primary need of any society to move forward, but Pakistan has deprived the people from modern education. There is one substandard university called Karakoram International University Gilgit. The university is not enough for whole region to educate and provide education to international standard. Surprisingly, there are no medical and engineering colleges and universities in whole region. Young people of this area compelled to travel to Pakistan for education and health facilities. Pakistan has been claiming for grant billions of rupees for Gilgit Baltistan, but reality seems billions of money flows from Gilgit Baltistan to Pakistan for education and health. Systematically, Pakistan treats the people as their customers and using the natural resources of this rich region free of cost. Students from this area mostly travel to Islamabad, Rawalpindi, and Abbottabad for higher education. According to local peoples, 90% people send their children to Pakistan for standard higher education, and 100% students seeking medical and engineering education travel to Pakistan because of unavailability of colleges and universities. Society here is conservative and religious. According to analysts, Pakistan has divided the society systematically on sectarian basis. Whenever locals demand for facilities and civil rights, terrorist attacks and sectarian violence blazes here, and then security forces take over everything. Politically, this area is not a constitutional part of Pakistan, but Pakistan has set their political parties by local facilitators and rules the area by their good boys. Depriving of education facilities is one of the key weapons to control the region. Pakistan has kept the people of this region away from basic human rights. A recent Supreme Court of Pakistan ordered to provide basic human rights to people, but Pakistan has still not fulfilled their own Supreme Court order by not providing representation of this region in legislation of the country and self-empowerment. Pakistan rules the people like slaves, where they don't have any participation in governance and legislation in the country. Many locals here are imprisoned and put under draconian law called Schedule 4, when they ask for human rights for Gilgit Baltistan's people.